Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I had my PT this morning. I went out to lunch with a friend of mine, just getting back to the house, and I'm going to try and be quick with this because I took a pain medication about an hour ago, and it's starting to take effect, y'all. So I'm here on the couch and just thought I would do a real quick update on the Duck Duck dishcloth because I just was not up to making the videos last week. And so what this is it's a collaboration I'm doing with some other YouTubers. Missy at Missy's Yarniverse and More is the one who started this. And we're using this book, the Little Encyclopedia of Dishcloths. And what we've done, for those of you new to my channel, we went through and numbered each dishcloth. There's 31, so we numbered them 1 through 31. And each Thursday, Missy comes on with her video, and she has a little box of rubber duckies with numbers on their bottoms. And she picks out duck, 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 dishcloth. And the last duck she pulls out is the one she shows the number on, and that's the next dishcloth that we work on out of this book. So the one she picked, I am 2 weeks behind on videos. So 2 weeks ago, she pulled out a duck and it said, "Release the quacking." It's so fun. So when she pulls that duck out, she has some larger ducks and she picks one of them, and we do the pattern that's on that duck. So the pattern that she pulled up, and I forgot to pull it up. Let me bring it up on my phone real quick. The one that she pulled up is a free pattern on Yarnspirations, and it's called the Rubber Ducky Scrubby, is what it's called. And let me get that pulled up. Rubber Ducky, yeah, Red Heart Crochet Rubber Ducky Scrubby. And here's a picture of it right here. And it's made with the scrubby yarn. Now, I did not make mine with the scrubby yarn because that scrubby yarn tears my fingers up. I cannot crochet with it. So I just used regular cotton yarn. I used a yellow and an orange, and I just made one. I made this one. And let me get that out. I will have a link to this pattern in the description box. So if you guys want to check this pattern out, you can. But here's my little rubber ducky, and I did not put an eye on it yet. I will do that later. Just hadn't got around to it. But here's my little duck dishcloth. I just have to add his little eye. But I had some, I think it was peaches and cream, and just I don't know the exact name on the bands, just yellow and orange. And so this was really fun to make. I was able to put this together in about an hour, 45 minutes. It's a real quick make. And so all I have to do is add the little eye, and that one will be done. So that was 2 weeks ago. The last week's dishcloth was this one. It was called the Chevron Columns. It's this one right here. And I had some yellow and brown cotton yarn that I used for it. And I used a 4.5mm hook. And this is what my chevron dishcloth looks like. This is the one in the book. And here is mine. Not too shabby. And this one was real fun to make too. It's the chevron pattern, and then you make these V stitches, and then on the next row you have and in between the V you have a double crochet. So what you do is you come in and you do front post trebles in the middle double that's in between each V, and it creates that braided look. So really fun and easy to make. So I think I'll make more of these in some different colors. So that was a fun one. So last Thursday, Missy drew another duck, and the dishcloth that she drew is, and I got to look in the table of contents. Well, my fingers will work. Excuse me. Which one? Well, here it is. It is called the Scallops. So this is the one we're doing for this week. It's called Scallops. It calls for a 5.5 millimeter hook. I'm not doing that. I am still using the 4-weight cotton yarn, and I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook. So it says for this one that it'll end up being, well, does it say? Yes, it'll end up being 10 1/4 inches by 9.5 inches. So not sure what my finished size will be, but like I said, I'm using a 4.5 instead of a 5.5 hook on mine. And it's just a mixture of double crochets and chains and shells. So I will be showing that to you this Thursday, or this Friday. Sorry, not this Thursday, but this Friday. So I'll be working on that. And it's just been a lot of fun making these and seeing the different color combinations that everybody makes and what theirs turns out. But I really had fun. I love the chevron patterns for crochet. And so this one was a really fun dishcloth to make. So, coming up this week, I will be live tomorrow night with Shannon. And then Thursday, I will have an update on my Sophie's Universe blanket. And then Friday, I'll be showing you the scallops dishcloth and my progress on that. And I'll let you know what the next dishcloth is for the next week. So lots of things coming up on the channel. I didn't get a chance today, but I'm hoping possibly next week, on Monday, to start doing some Monday afternoon lives on my members only. So be looking for that next Monday. That's what I'm shooting for, is to start that next Monday. Yeah, I'd like to get some lives in, and all I'm planning on doing for that for the members is just coming on live, and just sitting and crocheting and chatting. So bring a project if you're a member of Critters Crochet. Get you a project and something to drink, maybe a snack. And I'm probably going to do that at trying to figure it out with my medication schedule, because y'all don't want me loopy. I'd say maybe start it at 1 o'clock, and we'll see how it goes. So next Monday, 1 o'clock Central, live with members. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on what's going on, and I will see you in Thursday, or I'll see you Tuesday night. If not Tuesday night, I will see you Thursday morning. So I will talk to y'all later. I hope you're having a great day. Love you. Thank you for your support of Critters Crochet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.